Hi everyone. Today we are going to make tamarind rice from leftover rice, which is very easy to make, and let's get started. For 1.5 cup of rice, soak a big lemon-sized tamarind in water. Soak it for almost half an hour. We are going to extract the water from it. Add the tamarind water in the rice. It is better to use a sieve to filter the water. If you have no time, soak the tamarind in hot water so that it will easily soak. In that, put half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, mix it well and let it rest in the night, and we are going to prepare in the morning. And today morning, heat a kadai, put 1 tablespoon oil, and mustard seeds, half teaspoon broken urad dal, and 3 red chilies. It is up to you. And then few curry leaves, and then roasted peanuts. Peanuts give you a good taste in tamarind rice. Roast it well. And then we are going to add the rice. The rice is well soaked. It absorbs all the tamarind. Mix it very well and then check for the salt. We have already added the salt, so check if you need, add a pinch of salt. Mix it well, and that's all. A very simple breakfast and tasty breakfast is ready, which you can make very quick, and it is ready to serve. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.